Hello class, I wanted to show you how to use EasyBib. I'm going to come up here to the URL and type in EasyBib. Comes right up. And then I want to look up one of the articles we've read. So I looked up physicians should gain cultural competency, and I found it right here. So I'm going to open up that page. And you'll see here's the article we read. Physicians should gain cultural competency, and you'll notice that it's from Brown University. I'm going to come up here to the URL and copy the URL and go back to EasyBib. And then I will click on website because I'm going to cite a website. And I will paste in the URL that I copied and click on search. And here it is, physicians should gain cultural competency. So I will click on cite. And here's what we found. It has the article title, the URL, the website title, the date accessed, and the date published. Click on continue. And you'll see that, again, you have the title, the author, but the publisher sponsor is empty. So I'm going to type in Brown University and then click on complete citation. So there is the citation. I will copy the citation and take it over to the Works Cited page. I need to have a left alignment, and I will paste without formatting. There it is. Okay, but I need a hanging indent for the Works Cited page. So I'm going to just highlight the entire text here and then come up here to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, and I need the hanging indent and apply. So there you have the Works Cited page using EasyBib. Typing in the article just by searching for the article, pulling up the URL, pasting in the URL to a website, and I did fill in information that was missing. I can do this for books, poems, videos, anything that I may want to cite, and put it on my Works Cited page. And again, you need the hanging indent, and you will list all of your all of the sources you will list alphabetically. So even if it's not a last name, it may be the title of an article. That's fine. Everything is just listed alphabetically and it's all double spaced. So that's how you use EasyBib.